Hello everyone. So today we come to a interesting topic, that is AdCom module 1.4, in which the title of that module is the foundation of communication. In this video we will see only all the protocols for different communications. So different protocols we will see here. We have already seen the principles of communication and all in detail. In this video I will just revise the protocols. So what is communication? It is exchange of thoughts or information to convey different messages by using verbal, written or non-verbal medium, that is communication. Now effective communication is the result of getting the desired response by sharing information between people accurately. The communication process is two-way process, that is giving message and receiving message, or giving information or receiving messages in form of signals or any verbal, non-verbal, anything. Message, this process is in three-step process. Message of the sender is received, understood by the receiver, and desired feedback is sent to the receiver. Now elements of communication are four, in which one is message, one is medium, and the other two are sender and receiver. Now principles of communication, we have already, you can see a video from the playlist that is only on principles of communication. So different principles are explained. So principles of communication are validated guidelines that are used to perform different tasks. These are remembered by 7 C's, that is conciseness, clarity, correctness, coherence, courteousness, completeness and concreteness. Now effective communication. For effective communication, the protocol is timer. T for think through the encounter, I introduce issues, M manage the discussion, E establish a plan and expectation, R revisit and give feedback. Then 7 areas that to be covered in cultural history. Taking cultural history, we cover this 7 area. They are remembered by a protocol that is known as balance. B for belief and values, A for ambience, L for language and history literacy, A for affiliation, N for network, C for challenge and E for economics. Then to break bad news, the protocol is Spike's protocol, where S is setting up the conversation, P is perception, I is invitation, K is knowledge, E is emotions, and S is strategy and summary. The Cohn's protocol. Now this protocol is for disclosing any medical error, for sudden deterioration in the patient's medical condition, talking to the family about a sudden death. Talking to the family about sudden death. In that case, in these 3 cases, we will use Cohn's protocol. This C stands for context, O for opening shot, N for narrative, E for emotion, and S for strategy and summary. Then we have for medical interview, the protocol is CLASS protocol, CLASS. C is context, L is listening skills, A is acknowledge, and S is strategy, and S other is summary. So in the context, the physical setup of the area you choose for the interview. Listening skill is to be an effective listener. Then A is to validate, explore, address emotion and concern. To provide the strategies, to provide management plan that the patient can understand. Then S for summary, that is how to summarize and clarify the conversation, ensuring comprehension. Then 3-letter EVE protocol, that is for 3 elements that are used anytime when strong emotions occur. E is explore the emotion, V is validate the emotion, and then give an empathic response. So thank you very much. So you can also watch the other 2 videos on ATCOM module. In one video you will find the principles of communication and cultural communication, and then in the second you will find about the bad news breaking and the other protocols. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.